Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to backup or restore your router settings. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Backing up and restoring your router settings is a smart move, especially before firmware updates, major configuration changes, or troubleshooting. Here's a clear guide to help you do it. General steps to backup and restore router settings. Access your router's admin interface. Connect to your router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Open a browser and enter your router's IP, commonly 192.168.1.1, 192.168.0.1, or 10.0.0.1. Log in using your admin credentials, often printed on the router or in its manual. Backup your configuration. Navigate to Administration, System Tools, Maintenance, or Management, then Device Management. Look for Backup, Save Settings, Export Configuration, or Configuration. Click the Backup option and download the file, usually CFG, bin, or DAT. Save it securely, ideally with a name like routermodel_backup_backupdate.cfg. Restore your configuration. Go to the same section in the admin interface. Click Restore, Import, or Upload Configuration. Select your saved backup file and confirm. The router may reboot. Don't interrupt it during this process. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.